Hey, hello, well and good. Welcome to my home. As you walk in, you will see my altar. So this is where I have a lot of different relics from all over the world, from different parts of my life, including a cup from my grandfather who was in World War II. This is where I come to light candles and send good vibes out to the world. Let's keep going. This is our kitchen. This is my regimen. So it includes spiritual sprays, vitamins, and one of the best things that I've added to my regimen in 2018 is magnesium. So I take 2 magnesium before bed. This brand is incredible and it helps me sleep like a baby. Having a big family room is also one of my favorite things. This is also the space where I teach Reiki to my Los Angeles students, so it has its own vibration. I have a little stash of all my favorite Palo Santo, sage, crystals. Now you're gonna step into the Magic Vibes office. This is Jordan. Magic Vibes is a spiritual subscription box. We send crystals out to the world. This is what it looks like to have a small business inside your apartment. And now we hit the master bedroom. My husband and I have 2 very different ways of having our nighttime ritual. Mine includes goddess cards, energy cards, crystals, and oils. And then this is called Be Magic. It's an amazing, all natural ointment. So I put it on my lips, maybe sometimes in my nose before bed because it gets really dry in LA. The goddess bathroom space. I love taking a bath. It helps me cleanse my energy and reset and really give myself the time that I need. So that's it. Now you guys gotta leave because I'm gonna take a bath. Thanks for coming and I'll see you guys soon.